Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Sri Krishna Tech Talks. Today we are going to know one interesting update that was happened on March 5th, 2025 in mobile application development. So in cross-platform application development, there come a superhero called as lynx or lynxJS. So which is giving a tough competition to other cross platforms like React Native and Flutter. So in this video we will be knowing what is the use of learning links. So let's get started. Hey, let's quickly get into the agenda. What is links? What are the key features of links? What makes links outstanding? How it competes with other cross-platform tools like React Native and Flutter. So what is links? Everyone is aware of TikTok, right? So the TikTok company designs this framework known as Lynx or lynxJS. It's an open source framework that generates native UI components for mobile and web through web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So Lynx uses a Rust based engine. The framework enables users to perform simultaneous UI operations. So some of the key features of Lynx are very high performance. As it uses a Rust based engine, it is very high performance. Lynx uses artificial intelligence to support developers. This can mean intelligent code hints, automatic optimization and debugging, and it also provides the true native performance. Lynx eliminates the compromise between speed and native experience. Thanks to its architecture, it runs very smoothly without any delays or jams, providing a better UX than typical cross-platform frameworks. Lynx has two performance highlights. One is instant first frame rendering, which is called IFR. By briefly blocking the main thread, Lynx ensures that first frame is completely rendered. So once it is rendered only, it will provide an immediate response to the user experience. That is called instant first frame rendering. The next highlight is main thread script, which is called MTS. It is a static scheduling code segment handling high priority events like gestures, events, enabling native like interaction feel. So which native apps provides that all Lynx will provide. And one major thing that we are facing currently is Lynx is not suitable for building a new application from scratch. So you need to integrate Lynx engine with your native mobile app or web app and load Lynx app through Lynx views, but not from scratch. You cannot build the entire application. So you can integrate it as an engine. So as we getting started to Lynx, so some of the questions we come up in mind like, does Lynx support JavaScript? Yes, Lynx support JavaScript and TypeScript as the main languages for developing the mobile applications. So what is this Lynx framework actually? Lynx framework is a state of art cross-platform framework developed by ByteDance that allows you to build native mobile and web applications. What is Lynx code? Lynx code is a JavaScript or TypeScript based framework that uses familiar web patterns such as CSS to create interfaces. What is the Lynx platform? Lynx is a cross-platform application development environment that runs mainly on Android, iOS, desktop, TV, and IoT devices. Then what is this Lynx used for? Lynx allows developers to build native apps using web technologies, eliminating performance compromises known from other cross-platform frameworks. So here is a quick comparison between Lynx, React Native and Flutter. So as it uses a C++ or native light language, Lynx is easy for development and performance wise it is very high performance. So here is the comparison. Thank you.